speed this up a second and get it to generate more alerts, just so that we can all enjoy the sign a little bit. So I'm going to change this thing's sleep interval to 20 seconds and run it again. So there we go. It's found a Leeds Bradford flight now. So I'll leave that running and it will make some interesting noise in the background. But what we've essentially built in well, I haven't coded it in 45 minutes, but what we've enabled from an empty database is we've now got all of this stuff going on. I'm actually going to turn that off. Let's slow it down. There we go. What we've enabled from an empty database is we've now received 35,890 messages. We've now got this whole time series of stuff, and we've got one front end interface to it, which is a sign, which is quite a proprietary interface. A more common thing to want to do with this, let me start some things again, but not the sign. So let's just turn off the noisy sign for a second. There you go. A more common thing we might want to do when we've got a database and we've got data in is build a visualization out of it. And I said earlier that CrateDB here is Postgres wire compatible, so it works with a lot of tools. So I was able to build a Grafana database here, a Grafana dashboard here. And if we go launch this, hopefully what we'll see is another way of looking at this data from what was an empty database. So I'm going to start the plane spotting thing. And what we've got here, is just make it a little bit bigger, is some widgets. So this is standard Grafana stuff. Every one of these is just powered by a SQL query.